guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you another brand new home community in the Myrtle Beach area. This community is called Chestnut Farms and the builder is DRB Homes. DRB Homes builds homes all along the East Coast from Pennsylvania to Florida. They're actually new to the Myrtle Beach area. They also have homes being built for another community called Sun Colony, which is in Longs, South Carolina, along with this new community is also in Longs. Stick around to get a model tour along with tours of some current available inventory as low as $315,000. Before we get started, if you are thinking about making a move, whether you're ready now, in 30 days, or 300 days, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can get my contact information below. I'd love to set up a time to chat with you to help you where you want to go. Now let's get into it. Chestnut Farms is located in Longs, South Carolina. If you don't know Longs, it's a pretty large area and is about 87.5 square miles in land area. So to give you a better idea of where this community actually is in relation to Myrtle Beach, this particular community it's just a short drive off Highway 22, directly off of Highway 90. So if you look at a map, those are kind of the roads you're looking for. The location is less than 15 minutes to the beach on the north end of Myrtle Beach and close to the start of North Myrtle Beach. You're about 13 minutes to Tanger Outlets, 14 minutes to Barefoot Landing, and 14 minutes to Restaurant Row. So it's great if you want to be close enough to tons of things to do, but not right in the middle of the action. Plus the price point for what you get is awesome. Homes start around $300,000 and they can go up into the $600,000s if you add into all the upgrades and selections and the larger floor plans. So super affordable and you can really get a lot for your money here. The community will only be about 72 homes with many pond view home sites and nice larger lot sizes. A lot of them are more around the 1/4 of an acre size, which is great for a planned community. There are 5 different floor plans to choose with single level ranch styles to 2-story homes that each have their own upgrade and selection options to choose from for the to be built options. You can add fireplaces, 3-car garages, additional guest suites, bathrooms. Just depending on each floor plan will have a different set of upgrades you can choose from. So unlike some other builders who only offer spec homes, you get a little more customization with these homes if you are doing a to be built. There are also a few specs available now though. There are no amenities for this community. The HOA will be about $130 per month. And that's just gonna upkeep the common grounds. Now let's see some of these amazing homes. The model home is the Lighthouse model, which can range from 2,700 square feet all the way up to like around 3,200 square feet. You can really customize this floor plan with additional windows, bedrooms, master suites, things like that. The builder does use 6-foot tall windows on the first floor compared to other builders in this price range who typically use smaller windows. So that's really nice with these homes. If you get the second level of selections, they do include light fixtures such as the pendant lights you see in the kitchen. Master bathrooms include tile showers to the ceiling. In this model upstairs, there's a large loft bonus space for another living area. They can also add some shiplap to the fireplace options. You can get a 3-car garage like I mentioned before. This next home is a spec home now available for $315,000. It is the Easton model. This one is a 3-bed and 2-bathroom with a total square footage of around 1,400. This is a split floor plan with an open concept kitchen to the living room. It feels spacious with the high vaulted ceilings. There is a large back covered patio as well. The next home available is around $357,000 and it's the Avondale floor plan. This one is 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms around 2,300 square feet. So bigger than the last one you saw. It's another split floor plan with an open concept living room, masters on the first floor. It feels really spacious in the living area with the high ceilings. And there is another large screened-in patio to hang outside. This does have a second floor with a bonus space and a bedroom and another bathroom, which makes this home feel so spacious. The third spec home that is available now is a great deal at just about $400,000. It is the Lighthouse floor plan. It's on the pond with a great backyard. This one even has the 3-car garage upgrade. You can see some of the differences in this one and the model homes, but this home still comes with a lot of great upgrades. Now the current offer incentives from the builder, which may change depending on when you are watching this, is $10,000 in closing costs with preferred lender and also $10,000 in upgrades. So that's a really awesome deal. If you get in here early, you can get these awesome great incentives. If you want more info on these homes or any other communities in the Myrtle Beach area, my contact information is below. Don't forget to follow if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time, bye.